Hi, this is Andy Cowan here. Today the pupils are going to be creating a poster about an app that they like. So the first step is they need to use Safari to search for the app icon of their favourite app. So I quite like GarageBand, so I'm going to search for that. And usually it'll be the top option in search results. Right, this is perfect. So I want this GarageBand icon picture, so I'm going to take a screenshot of this. And then come out of here, go into my photos, got the picture there. So I can tap on the picture I just downloaded, choose edit, and now choose the rotation crop icon on the left, and all I want to do is just bring in the corners so I can select just the thing I want to keep. Right, that looks good, and now I can press done. Okay, so I've got the image that I need. Now if I go into Seesaw, I'm already logged in, press add, choose drawing, and then on the left hand side choose the camera, upload, recently added, and I've got the icon that I need. Excuse me. And then click on the green tick, and I've got my app icon here. I'm going to position it up in the top left. Doesn't really matter where they decide they want to put it, that's down to the children's own artistic ideas. So I've got the app icon. Next step, I'm going to press on the T on the left to add in some text. The name of this app is GarageBand, so we just need the title. I'm going to make that a bit bigger, I think. Pop it up there, change the colour. So again, this is all just up to pupils' own creativity. Quite like that. I'm going to choose this one. Again, you can play with the different texts. Right, to me that looks good. Leave it there. So we've now got the app icon, the app title. We now need a description. Just something short and sweet. That looks okay. And so we've now got the app icon, app title, app description, and I need to add the reason I like this app. So I've now got four things: app icon, title, description, and the reason I like it. And essentially that's it. Pupils could add their name if they wanted. They could also add a voice description of the app using the microphone bit on the left hand side, and then when they're done they just click on the tick, choose their name, and tick again. Hope that's helped.